Today's massive update from Spotify Camp Nou, and the transformation is becoming impossible to ignore. The structure is rising fast, key elements are locking into place, and the stadium is now entering a decisive phase. From the rapid progress of the compression ring to visible changes across multiple sections, everything is moving at once. Cranes are active, crews are pushing forward, and the identity of the new stadium is finally taking shape. But here's the real story. While some areas are nearing completion, others are still catching up. Let's go inside and break down everything happening right now. The compression ring is advancing steadily with simultaneous work across multiple fronts. New pillars are being installed sequentially around the stadium, each precisely aligned with the super pillar structure. Alongside these, a new radial beam has also been added, contributing to the overall structural continuity of the ring. Another compression segment was installed recently. Material handling is continuing actively, with workers positioning support beams used for staging and placement of additional segments. The consistent arrival and installation of these components clearly show that this remains the main focus of current construction efforts. The third tier is progressing in phases, with seating steps already installed in some lateral sections, while other areas are still under preparation. In the south goal, crews are currently drilling and creating anchor points in the concrete base, indicating that step installation will begin soon. At the same time, the outer edges are being completed with finishing slabs, showing that while some zones are taking their final shape, others are still actively under development. Inside the stadium, structural work continues with the addition of a new intermediate level in the second tier, improving internal circulation and access. Corridors and gallery spaces are now mostly defined, although finishing work is still ongoing, while service areas are being formed using block walls. Moving toward the south goal front, the situation is a bit different. The decorative facade panels are currently paused in this section, and work needs to accelerate here. However, the area is already prepared for further installation, which suggests that once work resumes, progress could move quickly. Now stepping inside, the pitch is starting to look impressive from every angle. From this perspective, especially near the north goal and lateral sections, the scale of the structure becomes even more striking. The combination of installed segments and the advancing compression ring shows how quickly the stadium is evolving. Moving into the lateral area, the corner is now filled with new materials. 4 radial beams are laid out, including one smaller, uniquely shaped piece that stands out from the rest. Alongside them, 2 compression ring segments are ready. The pace here remains consistent, with new segments being installed every few days, steadily pushing the structure forward. In the corner section, a large pillar is being repositioned, likely staged for its next lift rather than immediate installation. Around it, several key elements are visible, including radial beams and compression ring segments, showing a steady flow of materials arriving on site. At the same time, crews are focused on refining guide alignment, carefully measuring and adjusting anchor points to prepare for future llama installation. A previously delayed segment has now been successfully installed, adding to the momentum in this area. Overall, the work here feels controlled and well coordinated, with each step building smoothly toward the next major phase of construction. Inside Camp Nou, the transformation is truly breathtaking. The players' tunnel looks exceptional, with elegant glass panels adding a premium and modern touch as players make their way onto the pitch. The locker rooms feel world-class, beautifully designed with a perfect blend of comfort and functionality. Every interior detail from seating angles to VIP areas reflects top-level quality, making the stadium not just modern, but truly spectacular from the inside. In the north goal corner, the transformation is clearly accelerating, with 2 full sections of llamas now completely installed, showing a big jump from the previous stage. This area is quickly taking on a finished and visually striking look. With anchors already prepared in the next sector, everything is set for installation to continue very soon. At the same time, painting work is actively underway behind the structure, ensuring a clean and high-quality finish before the next phase begins. Overall, this zone reflects fast, well-organized progress, with each step smoothly preparing the stadium for its next visible leap forward. From the mid-level of the north goal, detailed finishing work is clearly underway, with workers carefully applying anti-corrosion coating to bolts, an essential step before the final protective layer. It's a subtle process, but critical for long-term durability. Nearby, recently installed llamas and the false ceiling are already giving this section a more complete and refined look. At the same time, materials for the mobility core remain staged and ready, signaling that the next phase is close. While overall movement here feels controlled, ongoing beamwork and internal adjustments show that this area is steadily preparing for the next visible jump in progress. In the corner area, upper-level work is actively progressing with drilling underway just beneath already installed supports, showing how new elements are being precisely integrated into the structure. Below, additional components are being aligned, likely preparing internal systems such as cable routing. Vertical supports are now fully in place and ready for the next phase, while a crane is actively lifting new pieces toward the first cantilever level. At the same time, activity around the diamond zone is picking up, with crews coordinating closely. A key highlight here is the long-awaited restart of formwork in the Diamond Cafe area. After months of delay, structures are now being enclosed again, clearly signaling that concrete works are finally moving forward and momentum is building in this section. At the main stand, we spot something important: a concrete pump operating on the first level. This is directly linked to the VIP rings, confirming that active concrete work is ongoing. This is a key sign that structural reinforcement in these premium areas is still progressing. In the final corner area, multiple crews are actively working across different levels, with cutting and welding operations refining key structural beams. Vertical elements are steadily being secured into position, strengthening the overall framework. At the same time, upper-tier activity continues with teams fine-tuning connections and preparing for upcoming installations, while nearby concrete works further add to the momentum. Overall, this zone reflects strong, well-coordinated progress, where detailed execution and continuous activity are clearly driving the structure forward toward its next major phase. Overall, the stadium is clearly entering an important phase. While some areas still need to speed up, the structural progress, especially with the compression ring and VIP sections, shows strong momentum. That's it for today's update. If you want more Barcelona updates, transfers, and construction progress, this is your channel. Stay tuned for the next one.